Oh, wonderful. Just your team was very courteous, very knowledgeable, very helpful, very polite. Made sure they covered my carpeting and they cleaned up after themselves wonderfully. But they took time during the day if I had questions. In fact, the team leader at the very beginning asked if I had questions, and took the time to answer them, and then asked me again, do you have any other questions? So I really appreciated that. They're hard workers. They just work nonstop except for a 1 hour break, and boy, it was just 1 hour. They were right back on the job, worked nonstop, helping each other, being polite to one another, handing each other tools, the older guys mentoring the younger guys, real solid teamwork, and obviously everybody knowing what they were there to do and doing it well. Oh, very exciting, particularly because I had been without air conditioning through this heat wave of a summer for about a month and a half. So to sleep in cool air last night was just wonderful. Knowing that I was sleeping in cool, filtered air was very reassuring to me, but it was just very pleasant. Yeah, I didn't realize it was running at first, the new one. So that was fun, and I think I'm feeling just more pressure, more airflow coming out. It's hard to tell, but I think it seems to be more airflow than I remember from the past, but it's definitely much quieter. I would tell them, and I already have, go for it. Easy, you'll be working with great people, you'll be doing good things for your home and for the environment. So I would highly recommend working with Balanced Comfort, working with the Valley Air District.